Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to withdraw Ledger balance. To begin, always make sure your Ledger Live application is fully updated. Next, connect your Ledger hardware device to your computer using its USB cable. Once connected, unlock your device by carefully entering your unique 4 to 8-digit PIN code directly on the Ledger screen. This ensures a secure connection and prepares your device for the transaction ahead. Now that your Ledger device is ready, open the Ledger Live application. Head over to the Account section, then choose the specific cryptocurrency account from which you want to send funds. For example, if you're sending Bitcoin, select your Bitcoin account. After selecting, click the Send button, which is usually prominent on the screen, to start your transaction. This step is crucial for security. First, paste the recipient's wallet address into the recipient address field. It is vital to double-check every character of this address, perhaps even comparing the first few and last few characters, to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Then, input the precise amount of cryptocurrency you intend to send, or choose the Send Max option to transfer all available funds. Before finalizing, carefully review the entire transaction summary displayed in Ledger Live, including the amount, recipient address, and network fees. Next, and most importantly, verify these same details directly on your Ledger device's screen. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction by pressing both buttons on your Ledger. The transaction will then be broadcast to the network, typically confirming within several minutes, depending on network congestion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.